In this video, I'm going to show you how you can appear offline in Roblox. If you want to turn off your online status, it is pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Roblox account on your computer and then head over to this settings gear and choose settings. Now, under this, choose privacy and content restrictions, and then go to visibility and private servers. Choose the first option, visibility, and under this you can see your current online status is set to everyone. To turn it off, go ahead and choose the last option, no one, and also under current experience it will also be switched off. Again, go back, and this time round again, now go to communications and also turn off visibility on experience chats and also party. So under experience chat, go ahead and tap on no one and also direct chat to no one. Then come back to party, and under party you can see for connections you can also turn to no one. So once you have chosen experience chats to no one, now you'll be good to go. Your online presence will not be visible to anyone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.